In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money Sendwave. First, open your Sendwave app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, update the app beforehand so the screens match what you see here. When the app launches, log in with your account using your usual secure method. If you use device biometrics, go ahead. If not, enter your credentials carefully and avoid public Wi-Fi for your security. Once you land on the dashboard, you're ready to start a transfer. This home screen is where you'll see shortcuts to send, your recent recipients, and any helpful notices. To begin, tap Recipient. If you already have someone saved, you can pick them from the list. If you're adding someone new, the app will guide you through their details. Next, select the payment method for how your recipient will receive funds. In this example, choose bank transfer so the money goes directly to a bank account. Different countries support different payout options, but we'll stick with bank transfer here. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account to avoid delays. Then enter their mobile number, including the correct country code if required. You'll be asked to retype the mobile number to confirm there are no typos. Double-checking this now helps ensure updates and confirmations reach the right person. Tap Save to store these recipient details. This makes future transfers faster because you won't need to re-enter the same information. Now tap Continue to Send to move on to funding the transfer. Choose your payment method for paying Sendwave, such as a card or another supported option available in your region. Pick the one you prefer and make sure the funding source has sufficient balance. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you the estimated delivery amount, any fees, and the current exchange rate if you're sending across currencies. Take a moment to review those figures so you know exactly what the recipient will receive. Tap Continue to Send to reach the final review. Check the recipient's name, mobile number, payout method, your chosen payment method, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm Transfer. You may see a quick verification step. Just follow any on-screen prompts. That's it. The transfer is on its way. You'll see a confirmation screen and you can view the receipt inside the app. For your records, you can save a copy of the receipt and let your recipient know to watch for the deposit. Thanks for watching and happy sending with Sendwave.